It's 61 degrees out here today and so sunny outside. Feels so good just laying here and enjoying this sun. But anyways, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we're going to be installing the harness bar and the racing seatbelt harnesses on the RSX. So here we have the harness belt and the harness bar. I do want to paint this harness bar because, as you guys can see, it's just a flat blue. And I don't know if my camera will pick it up, but the color on my car has a little touch of pearl to it. So I'm going to head over to O'Reilly's and buy a clear coat with a pearl finish to paint the bar and the rest of these blue pieces here. So if any of you guys on here want to add a little touch of pearl to some of your parts, this is the clear that I bought, and it's by Duplicolor, and I got the mica pearl finish. I did some research and I heard that it lays really good, so I'm gonna go ahead and move all of this stuff that needs to be painted on that cardboard box and see what this does. So I moved everything from this cardboard box to this portable work stand that I have. I had totally forgotten that I had it, and it came in really handy. So the clear is laid and you can kind of see the pearl on the blue. It looks decent. I give it a 5 out of 10, but it says on the can to wait about an hour for it to dry 100%. So while we wait, here's a little announcement for y'all. If you want your steering wheel to go from this to this, hit up East Detailing. So what is East Detailing? East Detailing is a steering wheel rewrap company that allows you to customize and pick your DIY steering wheel wrap kit. It allows you to give your steering wheel a clean and unique look. It's very easy to install, and it comes with the adequate tools and instructions needed for installment. Be sure to check them out on Instagram at East Detailing and use my promo code Diego24168 for 10% off your purchase. Now let's get back to the video. So while I wait for the harness bar to dry, I'm gonna get ready to loosen up these bolts from the seatbelt down here and down here to mount the harness bar and the seatbelt mounts from down there. And I went ahead and lifted my center console to be able to mount it to this part right here. Also, I mocked everything up on this seat just to make sure everything is supposed to be where it goes. So I'm gonna get ready to loosen everything up and put the harness bar together and bring everything in. Loosened up all the seat belts, got the harness bar in, and I'm about to mount it. So these things right here screw onto here to there, and then I'll bring in the bottom piece after that goes down there. So I got the top part of the harness in. It's not bolted down all the way yet. Next is this. I have to stick a bolt through here and down here, where one side of the harness will connect with this, and the original belt I'm keeping because I'm not always going to be using these. So let's stick these bolts in and tighten everything down. Everything is bolted on now and tightened down. The bar is pretty stiff, and I still have to tighten this down and the other side down. So next step is loosening this bolt right here to put this part of the harness right there. And for that, you have to loosen up your center console to lift it up and have space to move this bolt out. And like I said, install this. And then from there, we'll be moving on to this top part, which should be the easiest part, putting that to this. So I got the first seat done and it's all ready to go, strapped up in the back. So I did not want to run the harness to the chassis, so I kind of modified this a little bit. I cut this part off, which is what should mount to the chassis, to be able to run them just to the bar. This is how the original one looks, and this is the part that I cut off. I'm going to show you guys here in a little bit how to strap this part on to the bar to have it look like this and have it nice and tight. So this is how the original back part of the harness looks, and like I said, I don't want to use this right here, so all I did was cut this off with some scissors. And then for this part right here, we have to remove the stitching from this right here. I already went ahead and took some of it off. And if you can't get it off, just get a blade and just start cutting through the stitching that goes across from side to side until it all comes done. So now that the stitching is off of this, all we're gonna do is pop this out like so, and then with a flathead screwdriver, we're gonna pop this cover off. So all you have to do is get your screwdriver, stick it down here, and just pry this part off like so. And we're still gonna use this. This is gonna stay in here to divide these two sections. So now we get the strap and we go up, over, and down like so, and just pull it back. And then we bring it down here to where we're gonna strap it, and we go like this. And then you bring it in under here. Like so. And over and down into this side. Like that. Pull it. Make sure it's tight. So now that you have everything nicely tightened down the way you want it, you just grab the excess of the strap, stick it in to this part, and down through this piece right here, like so, and then you just pop the cover right back on like that, and that's how it should look. So that's how you do it if you don't want to run your straps down to the chassis. And we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing to this next one, and from there finish tightening all of the rest of this stuff down. So I got everything installed, and honestly it looks awesome. I just gotta get used to the fact that I can't have people riding in my back seat anymore. So let's go and check it out. So we're already at 119 subscribers, guys. I just want to give a huge thanks to all of y'all for supporting me and for liking my content and what I do. There's many more videos coming soon, and yeah, I just want to give a huge thanks to all of you guys. That is all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button, and leave a comment, and stay tuned for future videos. Peace out, and I'll see you guys on the next one.